I got over 314,000 subscribers and made $19,000 of profit from just one video on YouTube, and I didn't even show my face in that video. I recently posted this on Twitter, and as you can see, it went viral, right, when I shared the analytics of this video. So there's one bad news though that I want to share with you, is that eventually that video and that whole channel got deleted, and that was a channel that had over 1.8 million subscribers, and I can show you proofs here as well, right? We have a full folder with all of the results, with all of the proofs. But the reason that I'm recording this video is I want to share all of the things I did to make this money and all the mistakes I made that I lost all of that revenue from that channel that you can hopefully avoid, and by the end of this video you can also have some success with that, right? Because in the past couple of years I made hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube. I can share, for example, one of the channels right now. It's faceless channel on YouTube that I didn't even make the videos myself for, and it's called Mr. Football. And let's wait for it to reload. As you can see, I made over $33,000 just this year, and I actually own this channel that you are watching this video on. The first video, if you go and you click all this right now, the first video on this channel, I documented the whole process of how I scale a brand new channel and I make $30,000 and I get 16.9 million views. So if you don't believe me, go and check all the proofs, right? You can also see like all of these are testimonials, right? That we have that from channels that we have scaled. So I've been in the YouTube space for a long time. We have helped people that already have 50,000 subscribers, people that already have like 200,000 subscribers, right? But also people that are complete beginners. So I've also scaled lots of my channels, right? As you can see, this one is 100,000 followers, etc., etc. So I want to share with you how you can potentially do it, right? I will show you the three exact systems, three exact steps that when you will follow, you will learn how to do that, right? Because this business model completely changed my life. I was able to buy this rural part of mine. As you can see, it's in the mountains, right? There's a lot of nature here and I love it, and I've been able to help my parents financially, travel the world, buy pretty much whatever I want, and it completely changed my life. And I started as an 18-year-old broke student from a poor country in Europe. I was literally making $4 a month, and right now I'm 21 and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars online, right? I have other videos where I share my story, I show all the proofs and all of that. If you want, you can check out on this channel, but here I want to concentrate on how that one video went viral. It got me 314,000 subscribers, and how I made $19,000. Imagine how much money it is. You can buy a car with that amount, and I made it from one video, and that video wasn't even long, right? It was a channel like this, as you can see, with like 1-2 minute videos, 1-2 minute videos. Like the video was like this one that got 9.9 million views, but on my channel, it got about 12 million views, if I'm not mistaken. I've posted it on Twitter because I saved it. Yeah, 12.4 million views, and within a year that video made over $19,000, right? Which is really, really crazy. And the way that I did it is very, very simple. So basically, there's just a couple of steps that you need to follow to potentially make this happen too. Number one is you need to just pick a niche, right? So you can start a channel by showing yourself, like I'm doing now, and my goal on this channel is just to help people. So that's why I'm doing this, and also, of course, it can help make money as well, but that's not the primary reason. Or you can pick a channel, let's say, as I did, right, in the football or soccer niche, and it made me $30,000. For example, I made this channel just to prove that it's possible and document the journey, so you can check the first video on this channel to learn about that. But there's even other ways. For example, in our free community, we have a list of over 1,000 channels in different niches, in sports, gaming, cooking, business, self-development, documentaries, pretty much anything, right? 1,157 channels that we have in this Airtable, right? Basically, it's a database of all the channels that we collected that are right now making money on YouTube. And let me show you, like all of these channels, like for example, we can open, these are football channels. There are channels like in finance, etc. So these are not all my channels. It's just a database of people that are making lots of money that we spend months on. And if you check it out, like animals, etc., I will also, by the end of this video, give you access to this for free, so don't worry, make sure to stick for that. And there's so many channels, like even channels for, let's say, for like dinosaurs, right? If I open it up, you can see this is a faceless channel, 41,000 subscribers, and they get 250,000 views a month, and they make $2,000 a month from it, right? So pretty much any niche that you can pick that you like, that there's demand, you can basically make money off from YouTube, right? As I showed, that video that went viral, right? That video was a video like this. So it was a little animation, right? So basically that's the first step, is you just need to pick a niche if you want to actually make it work, right? You can't upload one video about basketball, one personal brand video, one video about science, and then expect your video to go viral, get you 300,000 subscribers, and make you tens of thousands or thousands of dollars, right? So what you need to do is you need to pick a niche. And there's two factors when it comes to picking a niche. Number one, there should be other popular videos or popular channels in that niche, right? So I will write popular, right? So okay, popular. So there needs to be other popular channels. So if you want to create a channel about physical newspapers and no one reads them right now, that's not going to be a good idea. So you need to make sure that there is demand right now for that niche, right? Whatever you are making a video about. And the second thing that is interesting about this is that you need to pick a niche, in my opinion, that you love. Because when you love something, you are more likely to stick with it. You are more likely to pay basically put more effort and time into it, and it's more likely to work, right? Because you will stick to it. So that's the second thing. So what a beautiful combination, right? In my opinion, because what you can literally do is you can do what you love and also make money from it, right? So that's the only things that need to match, which is it needs to be a popular niche and you need to love it, right? And there's basically countless, like dozens and dozens of channels that you can start it with, but that's all you do, right? Literally, you watch this video, you can pick the niche next step once you go to our database that I will send you, right? By the end of this video, I will give you the link. So that's the number one. The number two thing is that what you need to do is you need to do research, right? It's a fancy word, but basically it means that you need to just see what videos are working on YouTube right now. So if you go, for example, and you see for this channel, right? For example, videos about Cristiano Ronaldo or his son are working well, right, and got 400,000 views on this channel, then that's a good idea. And that's a better idea to make a video about this than to make a video about a footballer or soccer player that no one knows about, right? So all you do is you go to YouTube, you just open youtube.com literally, and you just see what YouTube recommends you and what videos go viral in your niche, right? If you're in the basketball niche, you literally just go to YouTube and you search basketball, right? Let me search it for you, basketball. And all you do is you just click here, filters, like filter it by most popular, choose this year, choose 4 to 20 minutes, so it's not YouTube Shorts, and you find basically dozens and dozens of videos that went viral. And there are channels that don't show their face, for example, this one that gets millions of views and makes a bunch of money, right? As you can see, it's a basketball channel. And when I click view channel stats, they get 1.4 million views and they make about $5,000 to $7,000 from my experience a month from this one channel, right? So that's what you do. You go to a channel, you see what are the most popular videos on other channels in your niche, right? And you basically did your research and you understand what was well on YouTube. Here's a small pro tip for you, is when you look into this and how exactly my video went viral, is I was looking into videos that went viral on small channels. Because when a video went viral on a small channel of your competitor that they just started in, that means that it has a lot of demand, and if other small channels can go viral, you can also do that, right? So that's one of the best ways to get inspiration from, to do your research upon. So when you search, look also at smaller channels that have popular videos, not only the top channels in your niche. So that's a little pro tip for you, right? So you pay attention to small channels, all right? So that's small channels that do what? That perform well, okay? That's the indication that there's probably more demand than supply in that niche. So that's the second step. So you basically pick the niche, you basically did the research, and you see what's right now getting views on YouTube, right? And you just go and see it with your own eyes that it gets views on YouTube because people watch it, right? So that's the second step. And the third step that you need to do in order for you to make this is to copy the strategy that I used, right? Because you can do the niche, you can basically research, and you can come up with the ideas, and you can post your videos, and that's the biggest key, right? But if you don't know the right ideas, if you don't know the right strategies on how the YouTube algorithm works, how you can actually go viral, how you can make videos about topics that actually generate interest in the viewers, so it makes them click because they're curious and they want to watch the videos by the end and they are satisfied, that's why YouTube pushes it, right? That's what you do. But once you figure out these things, you just pick the niche, you just start uploading, right? And the niche is a combination of something that right now, it's a topic, basketball, sports, movies, anything that's working, and you combine it with your interest, right? And then you just go and do research, see what's working on YouTube right now, and then the first step, you just post, and if you know the right strategies, with time and consistency, you grow, and you can have viral videos like this that can completely change your life, right? My first year, when I started this, that first channel that ended up being deleted, made over $128,000, which is crazy, right? And the reason it got deleted is because I didn't know how copyright works. Because you can't just go and download other people's videos and then upload on your channel and make money. You need to be able to produce these videos. So either you are going to learn how to do them yourself, and right now with AI, with editing softwares, it's easier than it ever was. So you still need to put in the work, but it is way easier than when I started like a couple of years ago. I started actually taking it seriously in 2021, so it was 3 years ago for this business model. And And the second way that you can do that is you can actually outsource the whole content production process. So that's what I've done for this channel, right? I've documented the whole journey. I documented the whole process of going viral on this channel, right? On Mr. Football. And on this channel, that is exactly what I've done. I've basically went on freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, where there are other people that can make the videos for you if you pay them, and you pay them, let's say, $50 for one video, and then you upload these videos on your channel, and you stay consistent. If you know the right strategies, one video goes viral, it can make you a lot of money. For example, this video on this channel, right, got 1.3 million views and generated me over $4,300, right? And it costed me about $50 to $100. This one is 10 minutes long, so it costed me about 100. So 4,200 from this is profit. So if you have money now, you can just start by outsourcing. If you don't, you'll make videos yourself, you'll learn how to do that, and that's such a fun thing, especially when you pick a niche that you like. You stay consistent, you know the right strategies, you put in the work, you go through failures, because not every video makes you $20,000, right? But if you stay consistent for 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, you can boom, you basically the results compound, because you learn, you know how to make good videos that perform. Now you can make the money, and you can actually reinvest and hire other people to do it for you, and that's how you can, without showing your face, without making any videos yourself, make money. Or you can start a personal brand like this if you want to be on camera and upload videos like this and make money, plus you can sell other products, digital things, affiliate marketing, all of this stuff, right? But to not make it confusing, all you literally do, right, is just pick a niche, is you identify a niche that's going to be the best, because you shouldn't just randomly pick a niche. It needs to be a niche that has high demand, so you see that it's getting views on YouTube, and you actually have interest in that niche, and you will do it for the long term. Number two is you go and do research. What are the ideas that work the best? How their videos are structured, and all of that stuff, which is very simple to do. And number three, you just start working, start posting the videos, and this is the key part. If you know the right strategies, you just implement them and you grow. That's how exactly I've been able to get millions of views. I've been able to get channels that, yes, eventually this one got deleted, but hey, it made me, it basically bought me this apartment, right? And much more things. And then it also gave me the money to outsource, to start new channels, to start new businesses, and to make money. So all of that happened because of that first video that went viral on my channel, right? And that's basically all I did, right? That's not a fancy thing. And now I'm going to share with you like how you can actually learn the strategies that I'm talking about for free, with no catch, literally for free. I don't want anything back from you. You just watch it and you can help, because I'm making this video because I've once watched a video like this similarly years ago. I didn't start back then after watching that video, but they that one video just planted that idea in my mind that this is possible. And months after that, I stopped watching that creator, but because of that thought that they put in my mind that I can start a YouTube channel and succeed, I started my channel 3 years ago, right? And it changed my life. So now I want to give back, and it also helps me to just have some goodwill out there, make some money, make sales, yes, but mainly I want to make this because I want to help, right? So I will share with you how you are going to use the strategies to go right now. I will give you all the, basically the things that we charge thousands of dollars for. Actually, we charge for. I'm going to give it away to you for free right now, right? But basically, how I made this how I got 14,000 subscribers is because I picked a niche. That's all I did, right? People that tell you other things are just wanting to sell something, right? It's this simple. I picked a niche, right? I did the research. What are the videos that perform well? And I just committed to uploading video. 100 videos. I just uploaded and got better and was relentless, and boom. But then when the video is good and people like it, it gets 12 million views, and we got over 314,000 subscribers from this. Imagine that channel eventually got 1.8 million subscribers. Yeah, by the time it got deleted, it almost had 1.9 million, and 300,000 from it was just from one single video. And it also made me $19,000 of profit, right? Which is really, really crazy. So all I did is I picked a niche, did the research, and then I just started posting that videos with the right strategies. And you can say, Howard, how do you know the right strategies? Well, because I uploaded thousands of videos over my faceless channels, with partners channels, with all of this over the past years. I've helped so many people. I've looked into so much data. Plus, I've bought courses for over $100,000, right? Which is crazy. I have a video about that as well on my channel. You can go and check out. But I've invested a lot in my education, learned from the best people, learned from my failures, did all of the work, and that's how I've been able to do this. And the cool part about this is it didn't just work for me. For any person that is serious about this and can put in the work and don't complain and be patient, all of them get results, right? Pretty much all of them, if you don't quit. So this is just all the results from other people, which is crazy. $2,000, that's crazy, right? Getting accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, 40,000 subscribers, all of this stuff, right? which is really, really awesome. If you look at it, 140,000 views, just some crazy, crazy results right there. So that's how I've been able to do that. I picked a niche, I upload these videos, you just need to figure out how to make them, just post them out there and make it happen, right? That being said, I want to really make it clear that I'm not saying that this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not. If there's anyone on YouTube, on Twitter, or X, anywhere, right, telling you that, hey, you can get rich quick, it's easy. It's not, right? It is simple, but you need to put in the work, and you need to persevere and not quit for you to be able to become successful. So you need to understand that. But if you just promise that you can do that with the right knowledge, your life can never be the same, right? You can buy that house that you want, you can travel the world, you can stop working at the job that you hate, you can help your loved ones, you can do so many cool things, you can fulfill your potential, give money to charity. It can change your life if you take this seriously. And I'm telling you, this is how I did it, right? Just one video got me hundreds of thousands of subscribers and made me $19,000, right? And right now, what I want to do is I want to give you a free video, completely for free, right? Which is a course that I've sold thousands of dollars for, where I document and give you all of the proofs on how I scaled one of my channels to over $33,000. I share the channel itself. I share it. It's still working. It's still making money. I share all of the secrets, all the strategies, how the algorithm works, how to get started, how to outsource, how to come with the titles, funnels, all of that simple step by step, that if you watch that, I guarantee you will learn how you can start this as well. And if you are ready to put in the work, it can change your life as well. So if you want to check it out, there will also be in that video 1,000 plus niches, where I give you access to that link for free, where you can go find your niche, learn all of the secrets of the algorithm, and absolutely blow up. So I hope this was valuable for you. If you want to check that video, please first of all subscribe. And there's a cool update, by the way. If you check right now, the subscribe button is probably lighting up when I say subscribe. So go ahead and check out that button, click subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. But most importantly, right now, go and check out this video that I will put on your screen, where I share everything, how I went viral, and all of the secrets that you need to know to grow on YouTube and make money. So click it, it's free, and I hope it will help you. Cheers.